Emmanuel, this is the if-else statement. If-else statement is used when you want to execute one statement if a condition is true and another statement if a condition is false. Import java.io asterisk is the package of input stream reader and buffer stream reader. Class H, open curly brace. Public static void main. Open parenthesis, string, close and open brackets, arcs, close parenthesis, throws IO exception, open curly brace. Input stream reader, reader equals new, input stream reader, open parenthesis, system.in, close, semicolon, close parenthesis, semicolon. Buffered reader input equals new buffered reader, open and close parenthesis, reader, semicolon, int h, semicolon, system.out.print, open and close parenthesis, double quote, enter h, colon, double quote, semicolon, h equals integer tab, parse in, open parenthesis, input dot read line, open and close parenthesis, semicolon. If open parenthesis h is greater than or equal to 75, close parenthesis, system.out.print, open parenthesis, double quote, you are senior citizen, double quote, close parenthesis, semicolon. Else, system.out.print, open parenthesis, double quote, you are middle-aged, double quote, close parenthesis, semicolon, close curly brace.